Everybody, welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel, and I just want to throw this out there real quick. I do have a video coming out. It's going to be 1st of February. It will be exclusively on Detroit Axle's YouTube through the month of February, and will be on my channel, Dirty Garage Mods, um, be 1st of March when it shows up on my channel. So go over to Detroit Axle's channel and subscribe to see that early preview. Check out their Instagram as well, and check out my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you can click the link in the bio for my YouTube channel, and check my Facebook out, Facebook page, Dirty Garage Mods, as well. Uh, there should be a link in the description for all of that. So if not, check the comment section below. But anyways, I'll place the coupon code at the end of this video here, so you guys can check that out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for content coming in the near future.